Welcome back. You've just arrived at another Fabrication Factory film. In today's episode, I got some old footage of transforming a go-kart into a cooler cruiser. Ought to be pretty interesting. Let's check it out. For those of you out there thinking, I'd like a cooler cruiser, well, you're going to want to separate the steering column from the frame. Try not to get too discouraged if it doesn't come apart right away. These things take time. So on this little pivot guy here, I just kind of cut both sides just enough so I could give her a little bendy poo. So no special tools required for this next part. I just climbed up, got underneath them bars, gave them a good push. Alright, so I got that steering system up there about where I like it, tacked up. Went ahead, cut off this little steering mount. And ultimately what I ended up doing was taking some tube stock, tacking it onto that little metal ring up there, running it all the way down to the frame. So there you have it. Go out, get yourself your favorite cooler, and go have some fun.